Alright, we're gonna start the ball joint, upper ball joint restoration project here for this Jeep. What was it, Edwin? Jeep what? FU? What is it? Jeep
Jeep? And just empty every pocket?
FK?
JK.
JK. I'm dyslexic.
Joking.
Joking.
JK.
That's right.
Jeep joking.
Jeep joking. I'm new to this, guys. Don't hate. So you gotta remove the clip that sits on top of the joint. Wash your pretty fingers, man. You need them.
Don't worry, I'm getting a manicure after this. We're good.
Alright, so he's cleaning them out. That's what they look like.
Let's take
There
that.
we go. So we still gotta disassemble this. Like I said, you gotta take those joints out right there. Right there. There's 3 of them. Take those out.
Alright, socket.
Here we go. So we're gonna do socket. Okay.
Socket.
What size is it?
1 inch.
So it's a 1-inch socket. There it is. So now he loosened it up. 1-inch socket. There you go. All right. Dog into the hole!
Ooh, look at that. Look at all the little pieces, dude.
All right, more to come. All right, gang. So check this out. You gotta remove this deal first from the top. I know I'm moving a lot, so we're supposed to remove that first.
Pop that off.
Pop that off first.
Just pop that off.
There you go.
Okay.
Pop that off, and then you can remove it, because what it does, that sits between that. So it doesn't,
So you pop that up so it doesn't come
like
out
that.
the grooves.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, he explained it better than I can. Woo! See your face, man. There you go. All right, so what's next, Edwin?
I don't know.
All right, there's a, what do you call that?
Spacer.
There's a spacer that needs to come out. There you go. Don't forget to take that spacer out.
And it's grooved. It goes in one way. It's tapered at the top, so grease gets go in.
There you go.
The top port's greased. So you like
Now do remember that there's a top and bottom, so
the top is tapered.
the top is tapered. All right, guys? Don't forget, top is tapered. Once more, the top is tapered. And you gotta have some grease with you guys. You got to re-grease everything. Okay, here we go. All right, we're gonna try to do this as quickly as we can, because I know I hate when I see videos and they go on and on and. Okay, at this point you gotta pull out your axle. Please be careful, because there's gonna be some oil and whatnot coming out of it. Okay, so now at this point, because we have everything out, what you got to do is take your castle nut, the castle nut that came here, you put it backwards, or upside down. What you got to do is at least leave some thread in there, and you got to knock it from here going up. Is that right, Edwin?
Yeah, knock it out. Yeah.
Is that the right one? I don't think that's the right one. There you go.
A little bit of space, right?
You gotta leave a little bit of space there. Here we go. Here's what it's gonna do. It's gonna knock it up. There you go. See it? It's going. It's starting to go. Alrighty. Boom. There you have it. He's got it out. That easy. Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Here it is. Look how bad that sucker was. Can you move that around? Yeah, look at that. You're not even supposed to be doing that. It's not even supposed to do that. That's how bad it was. That's where you're knocking. That's where your wheel, what do you call it?
Like this. Wheel wobble.
Wheel wobble.
Left wobble.
That's where it comes
That's
from.
what my wheel was doing.
Exactly.
It was like a hot dog in the hallway.
All right, so the point of this is that we're keeping the stud. Is that correct?
Correct.
We're keeping the stud. And then we're going to remove this part right here. Replace them with this kit. Now who's this kit from?
Dynatrac.
Dynatrac. And a lot of you
Out of Orange County, I think. Dynatrac, yeah.
Orange County, California?
Yeah.
Because remember, there's going to be a lot of people looking at this stuff. Huh? All right, so that's how it's done. Okay, guys, now you got to remove this rubber item, boot.
There it is, yeah.
That's got to be removed.
Yeah, I need an X-Acto knife.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Now you got to try to cut that sucker out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to cut. So. What's with the Whole Foods? I mean, really?
My roommate was a Whole Foods worker in Scottsdale. So he gave me this hat. So I was like, what hat do I want to get greasy?
All right, so we gotta remove this. We'll save you we'll spare you this little waste of time here.
Okay.
All right, so what you gotta do is you gotta take the seal that sits right up below. I mean,
This came out already, so just showing where it's at. And you just take a hammer and you pop it out. So it'll just pop out with a hammer. That's it right there. That's your little seal. So which comes in with, so you could damage it, it's fine. Getting it out, just don't damage the inside. In here with the screwdriver. So
okay, here's the upper stud and joint. Needs to be just clean it up. So that's all we're gonna do now. Next, Edwin.
we're going to press this socket out. So go probably just as tight where you're not fully. Then hammer that baby out.
Just pound it out.
Yes.
We try different methods of doing this.
Get a small.
Hole punch. Maybe a hole punch here. You don't want to tighten, it's just to hold it. Nothing. All right, check this out. So sometimes this comes off when you're taking it off the knuckle. Ours wound up sticking by. It didn't want to leave. It wants to stick. So we got to do a press. We're gonna do it this way. We're gonna put it inside this cup, push it down in here, and it's gonna come out underneath. We're gonna use a press because it makes life easy. Now here we go. Got to center it. Is it centered?
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have to do the same thing going backwards. It's moving.
Is it? Looks like, yeah. Okay. It's hard though, huh? Is that normal?
Oh, it's coming out. Yep, it's coming out.
Thought I would just pop.
Sometimes.
Yeah, dude. That would have sucked without a press.
There it goes.
That would have sucked.
Let me see it. Show it off. Show it off. There you go. Look at that little stud. What a stud. You're such a stud. Look at that.
So this is...
Here it is, guys. There's the old one. Okay. Came out like butter.
I feel like I can't even turn it.
See, you're not supposed to turn it. Look, this is... Look at that. Look how loose that is. That's what makes the wheel wobble. There it is.
And I can't turn this at all.
That's
Holy
what you
shit.
call a good joint.
Wow.
See that?
This is hot dog in the hallway. I won't say anything about it.
Alright, so the next step is to put the new one into here. We're going to go backwards into the press. We're going to push it up to here, and it's got to have a quarter from here to here. So, a quarter from here to here. Is that correct? Okay, let's go do this in the press, and we're going to come back to you guys.